we're gonna hack this guy today. I don't recommend this. And the reason why is because this bike is legal right now, but as soon as I hack it, it's gonna turn it illegal. So I can't fully recommend doing it, but if you wanna know how to do that and get an extra 5, 6, 7 miles an hour out of the bike, stay tuned and I'm gonna tell you how to hack this Tonnerrey T8, make it go even faster. All right guys, so we've got the Tonnerrey T8 out. We've lightened it up a bit by removing the rear seat. We're gonna do a top speed run on the factory settings. Then I'm gonna show you guys how to hack this. It's super easy. And we're gonna do a top speed run once we've got it hacked. See how much faster we're able to go. We've got 2 motors on this guy, a nice big old fat battery. And just for reference, so that you guys know, I am personally about 155, 160 pounds on a good day. And this thing wants to rip faster than what the stock settings allow it to do. That is one thing I know for sure. So now Tonnerrey has told me the secret code, which is actually, like I say, super easy. So we're gonna do that. But first, let's see how this guy runs with just the stock settings. So we've got the speedometer app pulled up here. All right, here we go. Top speed run, stock settings. Let's see what we get this guy up to. Yeah, like 27, and I can feel it cutting the power off right now. I can feel it wants to go faster, but it's just not. 27 is all it's going to allow me to do. That was an electric motorcycle right there. That is so rad. Let's see if we can catch this guy. He's on a freaking electric motorcycle. Electric, right?
Yeah.
That's rad, dude.
It's fun.
Heck yeah. What's it top out at?
It governs out at 110. You can go a little faster if you want.
That is rad, dude. Yes, look at that thing rip. Heck yeah, bro. Let's go. So this has got to be for sure one of the easiest bikes to hack, and I'm surprised I didn't figure it out on my own, but Tonnerrey told me how to do it, and this is how. So you turn it off, hold the throttle all the way, just hold the throttle all the way down, turn it on, hold the power button, keep holding it. It's going to flash 22 on the screen right there, just like that. You keep holding this for a few more seconds. All right, so we definitely held it for a full 15 seconds. Let's go ahead and just turn it off and back on. Power it up to level 5. All right, got a nice empty parking lot. Let's see what she does. Oh, there we go. Yeah, we got it hacked, baby. All right, now we are going faster than ever on this guy. Heck yeah. All right. Oh man, yes, that is rad. And we are doing 32 uphill now. Heck yeah. Yep, 34 right there. Yeah, and we're on flat ground here doing 33, 34 miles an hour now. All right, guys, well, that is how you do it. Make sure you hold down the throttle and the power button for the full 15 seconds and you'll get this guy hacked and you'll be able to go that extra 5-ish miles an hour. We got it from 27 or 28-ish miles an hour all the way up to 34 miles an hour using our little hack that Tonnerrey told me how to do. Super easy, one of the easiest bikes I've ever hacked. And again, I do not recommend doing this unless you really know what you're doing and want to do it, because it will take the bike obviously out of the legal sort of classification, legal, and now it's technically, you know, not legal anymore, which they send it to you legal. That makes sense. If you want, you can get that extra 5 miles an hour out of it. there you go, dudes. Hope you liked this video. If you did, check out one of the other couple of videos I've got up on screen for you all right now. Hang out with me some more. And until next time, keep riding. Stay free. I love you guys.